Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. So if you're coming online, you want to start making a home-based business, maybe you want to get some side income coming in, or maybe you just want to, I don't know, change careers. You want to just get something rolling online. Well, I'm going to show you how you can start making $9 over and over again, possibly every hour, and you can get it paid directly right into your PayPal account. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do this, how to set it up. Now, you are going to have to trade time for money. You're going to have to hustle and make this work. Now, if you are interested, though, in passive income, something that comes in $200 or $300 consistently on a daily basis, make sure you click on the link in the description below, because I'll give you my #1 recommended opportunity right here online. Now, every day I like to come out with great new videos for you. I like to give you online jobs, home-based business. Everything is working online. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, and there's a bell next to it. Hit that. Then you get notified of all the videos that I come out with to you, and I don't want you to miss any of them. All right, so how to make $9 over and over every hour paid directly right into your PayPal account. If you have a PayPal account, this is going to totally work great for you. If you don't have a PayPal account, just go to paypal.com. You can pick up a free account through PayPal. I like PayPal because it's cash in your bank account. You can take that cash. You can use a Visa debit card with it. You can roll that into your bank account. It's just the best way to sell products, best way to make money online is getting money right into your PayPal account. Now, if you don't know, if you haven't been to a place called JVZoo, right now, and I'll show you how to walk this through and how to set this up. JVZoo, if you go to jvzoo.com, and if you go into the products, you can see there's a whole marketplace of things that you can sell. What you're going to be doing here is you're going to be promoting products, and you're going to be making commissions for that. And what you can do is, what I like to do is, when I find new products that I want to promote and I want to start making some money, is I go into this product. I go to product libraries and I go to top sellers. Okay. You can also see the launch list that's coming up, but I like to go to top sellers. And you can see the top sellers. So there's top sellers for today. So these usually top sellers today are the new products that came online today. But what I like to do is go all the way down to top sellers past 30 days, because if they've been selling the past 30 days, that means it's a very good product. It's converting well, and it's easy to make money with. So let's just take a look at the first one here, Traffic Rebirth. So they are #1 over the past 30 days. So if we click on affiliate details, you can see right here that it's $17 for the product, and you get 50% commission on that. So that's why around $9 commission that you're going to be getting with that, and it's paid directly right into your account. So you see this here, it says your status here. It says get links. So if you click on get links, then you can see right here that its payout is 50%. Okay, 17. Commission is instant. That means it goes right into my PayPal account. I don't have to worry about it. So this, I could promote this today and get instant commissions. And this link right here, this is going to be my unique link. So when you sign up at JVZoo, you'll have a unique link just for you and your account. And you'll set up PayPal through your account details in JVZoo. Okay, so you can go and you can pick any of these products. So what'll happen is like, let's see what this one's all about. You'll come into the account, and like with this one, this is 50% of $67. So that's whatever divided, that's 70 times divided by 2 is what, 25, no, 50 is like 30, 60, no, like $32 or $34 would be the commission on that. Okay, so right here, this is your status. Okay, so this one is 50%. They've set up delayed on this one, and the delay is usually about a couple days, because they just want to make sure that the traffic that's coming in is going to be good. But most of them are going to be instant. So all you have to do is just click on the links there, and then you can come back here and you can do any of these. Now let me find one that I'm not already an affiliate with. So let's see this one right here. So this one right here is $49.49. You get paid 50% commission on that. So you're going to be paying around $25 for this product right here. So you can see get links. Looks like I'm already set up for this right here. So I want to find another one here that I'm not. So this one's $297 recurring. This was a big payout right here. I'm trying to get onto that one. Let me just go back up here to this one. So when you come up here, the new one says affiliate details. So it says request permission. When you first want to request permission for affiliate, you just come in here and click on request affiliate approval. and then what'll happen is your status is pending approval. Okay, so they're just gonna look at your account. If you're brand new, they might have to put a delay on it. Could be take a couple days for you to get your PayPal, but it's still gonna be instant. As soon as you start generating more sales, then you're gonna be good. Now, you're probably thinking to yourself, well, how am I gonna promote this? Well, let me show you exactly how I do it, and you can model that. You can do exactly what I do. If you can go do it on your own, but once you get your link, you can promote that link anywhere you want. You can promote it on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. That unique link to that product is unique to you. So if anybody clicks on that link and they go to the sales page and they buy it, you get paid for that. Okay, that's what's important about this JVZoo, and you know that's what's cool about setting up account, getting PayPal on there. So what I like to do with any of the products, what I do is product reviews. Here's an example of a product review that I did a while ago. This was a arbitrage high roller review. Okay, so what I did was I just created a simple video about the product, and I had the link right here that's going to the actual, that's my link that goes to the affiliate product. They can sign up and pay for it. Okay, now you don't have to set up a blog like this and set up a review site. You can just do a simple YouTube video. Let's see if it so right here, you can see that I just did a simple YouTube video, okay? And then right here at the link in the description right down here is where I put the link to my JVZoo product link, okay? So when somebody clicked on that, they go there, they buy it, I get a commission for that. You can do this for any of the products. You create a simple review page, okay? Review video, and you just put it up on YouTube, and you can put the links in right here in the description, okay? So it's pretty easy to do that. All you have to do is just you could use ScreenFlow, you can use Camtasia, which is a screen capture device or a program that you can put on your computer. There's another one called Screencastify, which I really like. It's a Chrome plugin. You just got to look for in the Chrome browser, and you'll see that there, okay? So that's all you got to do is just go into JVZoo, find a product, get your link, create some videos around it. If you want to just promote on Instagram, you can do that. If you want to just promote it on Facebook, you can do that. Just grab your link from JVZoo and you can start promoting it. But what the cool thing is, when somebody clicks on your link, this could be any time of the day. So you could post that link. Somebody could click on it in the middle of the night. They click on that, they buy the product, you get paid for it. It's boom, it's put it right into your PayPal account. And that's how you're going to be making money online. And I hope you get started with that. Now, it's going to take some time to put this in. If you want to get some information on passive income, then hit the link in the description below, because I'll give you my #1 recommended opportunity right here online. So if you like this video, click on the like button. Also share it with your friends. Comment below. Let me know how I can help you and your business or your success online. This is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you on the next one.